how to check in Delta Airlines online. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to check in Delta Airlines online. Alright, so let's begin. So first search up Delta Airlines on Google or any web browser. Click on the first link that will pop up, and then once you're at the main web page, all you have to do now is click on check in right here, and then you can find your trip by entering your confirmation number, credit card number, ticket number, or SkyMiles number. So just choose from any of those that. Once you have chosen, enter the confirmation number on this area right here. So it says here, look for your 6-character confirmation number in the confirmation receipt or email you receive after purchasing your ticket. So just enter your number right here, and then once you're done with that, enter the airport in which you're going to, and then click on next, and then proceed with the other details, and then you are done. So that's basically how you can check in Delta Airlines online. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.